Tulu nama tu wali, porsi dua lagi. Ya, karena kita ni cukup sar cukup bungal menin tu wali songo ngai wali lagi. Ya,
kakan
sarang wali mai. Kalau dibuat kita bani Red Cross sarang wali mai. Orang asa kim kita kan benar ko ngasa rabiat turun rabal sarang iwa tempotan ang benar lebih balik itu benar li cukup wali ngaki. Kenapa waktu saya cukup wali ngal meni wali songo.
Le weekend tari gitu sana boleh unadang. Na koko di dang ya. Katakan kana buka dada. Na buka dada cubi kam do rombo cibiti. Selangan cubi kento ke boleh le. Dia na buka dada ni na rada cuma pepper. Kami na rontal no rambai le na buka dada. Isang ni rambai le do na buka dada le. Lebu nabi koro sansara ninguém do tal na valentura. Mas koro mai uno balau. Lebu koro ame raki. Dau tudo sarang na nabi bali. Sarle chu ke dengan go bana bali ni song. Lebu ko sincenta. Tagai sangai tunggu bersama kena. Lebu na korni buli bang ati chu me ndondoni lagi na ngono. Tagai sangai bersama chu malu nabi korni buli. Patakai nondra bici gumara tu bilis tali kena mesti utal na puli neur namanya. Biasa wabi na boleh pun bisa sangai cuma wabi na kata kita nabi balik satu cuma. Mana boleh turun kor. Fortuna bikin di sombe ke lini FNPF, fortuna kali cuma ini kuah orang ada cukup. Martuna ngai abu ki Ovalau. Kami ni nabia, wala pun ni veteran na numudi lawan FNPF. Oh, bos tu kan na sasang tu kan matin tu mel bos ke kendali style na watangin na hindi ni bulan datu kendali. Mana siya dulu kita kina nabi wala vale. Se lawan na libu na wai, lawan sala. Ay number to wala ising number rambat ni number ndo kata kana linga ni bingarabi. Barang ani bau tu kudin rambai le na wadada ngai sa wadada lu sana kawan tangar tu sanga cumur na linga ngara maten tu mentur mentangar wan ni beliba nangoni sala medaka melaw na wai mesati don tal main na be wau meron sa tribu tar pangaden dai melaw mentangar menakakan ni komunikakan na linubuno ni kana chico mo ni satu sasama kita lengamai sa wabi na wali turun corona kita sa ta chuna numbuko
Aka mawala
laka Ay, naka. Full money ya? Di rumah, nampuni ko nakatalan nanti ko. Nanito cukup begitu. Memang, kimsing.
My name is Ansu Singh. I'm a teacher at Pratusar Memorial School here in Levuka. During the night of cyclone, my family was there with me, and it was a tragic moment for all of us. the roof of my cottage blew off and we hardly have any shelter. We were so terrified on that night. What's coming to our mind was that how are we going to survive? Our survival was the main thing that was coming to our mind. We are really thankful that our Prime Minister has visited us here and giving us so much help, all the aids and everything that he has done for us. It's very thankful.
Nawala sangan ni turun ni korongko. Nawala ni nanto wal mati.
Ano mamu?
Kasi nga milu sangan ni singa korong.
Bagi bisa berkerwa?
Kasi bisa karu.
Asyik betul na.
Dono ngoni singa mata tuli buro.
Oi.
Kenan do namba kin do nando koru. Do nando koru, do na keramara.
Ibu apa?
Yo sa mesana na ba.
Empolo binaju.
Bulu binati. Kenan do ngoni singa mata tuli buro.
Maka turunnya wanan tahu.
Wanan tahu.
Yang bola. Ada dalam ni.
Venenamo!
Ila kerangori.
Mila kere. Samne kila ni tu ni cuma bagi don rau kawina, don rau karwa.
Iyo.
Don rau karwa. Ni kundere. Aku kala kami ni lasu, kami singa bagi rasa bukan.
In here at Nawowo village, the Prime Minister came to visit the villages. As you can see, all the houses that were destroyed by Cyclone Winston all washed away by the strong current and also the strong wind that brought by Winston. And as you can see, the church behind me and also the houses. According to the village headman, in this village there are 23 homes, and right now only 5 stood the cyclone that hit our country last week. The Honorable Prime Minister is now in Erbundi village and will be going around the island of Ovalau. As scheduled, we will try to visit all the villages that was affected by Cyclone Winston before leaving the island for Viti Levu tomorrow morning.